Hey y'all, welcome once again to our channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. I am going to be showing you how I make my quick and simple fried rice. So you saw my ingredients earlier, and there you see I have them chopped up. I have garlic, parsley, bell peppers, garlic, thyme, onion. You can use whatever season you like. And I put about a quarter teaspoon of unsalted butter in my skillet, and we're going to combine those together after I've added my onion powder and my creole seasoning. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss any of our video, because that's how we stay encouraged when you watch and comment on our videos. So there I am combining all the spices and herbs together, and I'm letting it steam for about a minute or two. And then once those are translucent, then I'm adding a quarter stick of butter once again, and I'm going to be adding 2 eggs to my wok, and then I've added black pepper and creole seasoning once again. You can do that separately, or you can do it together. For this one I did it together so you can see the different ways. If you follow my videos, you'll see I do it in another fashion. So there's so much versatility when you're cooking, and so since I have the space in this part, I just go ahead and combine all those ingredients together. And so there I have some frozen mixed vegetables that I'm adding to my egg and herb mixture, and then we're going to be just combining those and let the frozen vegetable melt within 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm adding some creole seasoning or all-purpose seasoning once again, just to get my flavors going before I add my rice, my overnight rice. So there is some overnight rice that I had, and I added about a quarter teaspoon of liquid smoke and about half teaspoon of some sesame seed oil. And there I'm adding some Maggi seasoning or soy sauce you can add to give it a little bit of color. And I added some smoked paprika, onion powder, Italian seasoning to my fried rice, and some Old Bay and black pepper. So now you're going to combine all that together. Make sure you stir it well and get it homogeneous. Let it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you can serve this with any protein you'd like. Follow for more and you'll see how I serve my fried rice. So combine those, and within 5 to 7 minutes your fried rice should be ready. So there I'm sprinkling some sesame seed to complete the dish. We thank you so much for watching, and we truly appreciate you showing up for our videos. Leave a comment to let me know what else you'd like for us to prepare, and we will see you on the next video. Enjoy!